Er like I fjor Lenovo I Dapad Gaming 3 just want turn on? We can help. We are Kelato Site, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue might be caused by a faulty power supply or a depleted battery. We can replace the necessary components to get your laptop running again. We ensure that all connections are secure and clean to prevent dust buildup. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.